Walang red.
Ayun na.
Ito, red oh.
Parang
Wala.
hindi block tong ano.
Ito mag-ready.
A.
Sa sapatos.
A. Mac A.
Oh.
Okay, okay.
Yes ka naman, Ino. Saan ka?
Let's go, Power Rangers.
Iba naman yung suot ni Mac. Sam?
Oh,
Eh, hindi.
di ba ba?
Alam ko.
Malis si Ino ah.
Lag ako?
Hindi, si Sam.
Ano sakay?
Wala ko pala na-activate ang editor ko.
Tara.
Aray ko, ulululululululu.
Okay! 2 on the north side, 2 on the south side. Let's go. The more of these guys you
shoot na
kill,
daw
the
yung Mac.
more I'll pay you for the
Lipad,
job.
left.
Call it a preemptive strike on the competition. Anyone else excited?
The anticipation is always worse.
Paano ko suotin yung mask? Ba't ganyan?
Left D-pad.
Sa keyboard.
You
G.
ready? Let's go!
G.
Ayaw eh.
Wala. Hindi mo kasi nakita kanina.
Mix, huwag ka na tumabi dun sa may mga tangke ah. Sino ba script post?
Di ko alam.
Team Live, boys.
Hindi ako.
Hindi din ako. Mix,
You're na
check
script
mo
host.
sa-
Alright, get ready for it.
No?
Over there, people! You're fighting
How you
for the
doing?
little people, the dreamers!
How you doing?
Doing over there, huh? I hope you want your way.
What you do?
You're gonna be waist deep in gristle, or you're gonna be dead. Someone's here for their cook. I knew you were a good crew. Come on, people. Close, buddy. Up. You got some bad information on the old ain't no meth juice here. Go back to the desert, you biker pricks.
Mga biker ba to?
Mamaya muna ako.
Okay.
Ano lang.
We got it over
Yeah.
there. Let's go.
Oh, Mac, try mo na lang yung isa.
I need 2 drivers
Isang van.
and 2 people in the pickup with a gun on it.
Oh, ako na magdadrive ng isa.
Okay.
Drop-offs by El Gordo Lighthouse. Let's go.
Sige, Mac, diretso.
Sandaan.
Diretso lang. Diretsohin mo lang. Tapos left ka konti. Yan, mix. Ayun, ngayon, ako naman yung susundan mo ngayon, Mac.
Okay.
O sige, pahuli ka na, Kwan. Pahuli ka na, Mix. Okay na.
We're being watched. Choppers up there. Looks like hired guns. Take them out and anything
Nagalit
else
si
they
Trevor
got.
ah.
They better not
Narinig ko
scare
eh.
the buyer off. You better not scare off my buyer. Choppers are watching us.
Dalawa
We
pa.
gotta go.
Sila naka-speaker. Si Mix tsaka si Mac.
Hindi, ito na naman yung ano ko eh. Lakas nga nitong boses niya eh. Ito na naman yung naka-earphone ako pero...
Okay. Naka-earphone ka ba? Okay lang. Sige lang, okay lang.
Teka,
Alam namin lang. Sige lang, okay lang.
tingin
Sa mo lang ako.
bukas ako yung FX.
Hindi, okay lang. Huwag na. Okay lang. Saan na yung mga support namin? Nandito na yung mga balas.
You don't get paid unless we get there. Remember that.
Ha?
All of
Ibang
them
balas yun.
following us. There must be some good.
Kalaban pala yun.
Chopper din.
Kalaban pala yung kala ko ano. Kala ko ano lang.
Ayan o. Ginigit-git si Mac.
Oo nga eh.
Ako naman. Ayan. Sabog na yung shop. Na mahabol sa akin.
You see? This is why I don't go to Los Santos.
Ano ginagawa ko doon, sir? Bakit naglalipad yung kotse?
Malay ko.
Nobody's gonna break my car.
Ay, bus.
Ito na, dapat
Come
ang
on,
standard.
just keep on coming. Burn these bikes off the road.
Ano?
Preno ka muna, Kwan. Preno ka muna, konti, Mac. Merong dadaanan tayong iba. Oh! Lumilipad kayo yung kotse, puti.
Sa akin yung kaya ano ginagawa ko
Not
doon, Sam?
let them ruin this.
Mukhang nakakit yun ka.
Di gagana yung ano, di ba?
Consider mo ba, ang lakas ng oras ng mga bikers, no? Mga truck na pina-challenge sila sa one-on-one.
Face to face pa nga.
They better
Ang
not
lakas ng
scare
loob
the
nila may
fire
mag
off.
face to face.
You better not scare off my fire.
Tama naman.
Sa likod mo ako, sige.
Sige lang.
Sila.
I don't like bikers.
I don't like bikers.
Oh, being successful is so hard.
Forward ka lang. Ate.
Hindi, sabi ko nga sa kanya, ako yung susundan niya.
Sundan mo na si ano, may
Uy, gagi.
Putyang ga! Tumba ako! Dito, sobra ka naman.
What a bunch of dicks.
Grabe. Kita rin yung akin ah.
Saan?
We beat 'em. We beat the bricks. You're up off something
Saan dumaan? Dito sa taas?
by the house.
Dahil sa baba lang, sundan mo na lang si Mix.
We might have done this. We might have done it. We could take some Molly, have a good time, or take some Mollis, and I could have a better time. No, it's not professional. We've got an agreement with the buyer. A business is built on reputation. Ron's gonna think we're dead. Doesn't
Up.
matter.
Tama.
Maybe Ron doesn't need to know this has gone as well as it's gone. Maybe it was time for a change of
Sundan mo si Mix, pero wag lang sa
or a
bangin
change
din.
of subordinate. Now, he's been loyal.
Kasi Mix eh, kung ano-anong ginagawa eh.
First thing I do is cut in Ron. Then I put something in Brad's commissary. After you're paid first. This is the start of
Ano, nahulog ka, no?
without you. Well, without you
Kita ko
or
yun.
someone else with a very similar skill set.
Ano gagawin?
Lapit ka pa konti. Yan.
Yun.
Nice one, friend.
Sila yung
Nice
kotse
one,
ngayon ni
huh?
Mix.
TPI. On our way. We
Dumiretso
are
sa
on
tubig.
our way. Oh, thank you, people. Thank you. Great work. Really great. Here is what I promised you.
I think promises yun.
A little advance for my earnings.
Pera ba yan? Pera?
You gotta speculate to
Oh,
accumulate.
pera yun nasa
Now
loob
we've
yan.
done the speculation.
Ay, pero
Soon
wala lang
we'll do
loob
the
yan.
accumulation.
Akala ko kondo.
Very soon. All right. Now let's get the hell out of here. All right. I got the buyer coming through. Thank you.
Pinahawak ko lang kay
Thank you
Mac.
all very
Kukunin
much.
ko lang
Hey.
din ulit yan.
Be cool with that money. Only buy superficial crap and superficial people.
Kalo to.
Who are you?
I'm impotent rage.
You can't be impotent rage, cause I'm impotent rage.
Yes, but
I will deal with you later.
Ay, hindi. Mac, sa'yo yan. Yung ano,
Hey,
stickers.
my brother. Yo, it's Phil. It's good to meet you finally.
hey,
Trevor, ain't it?
so we gonna do this, or we gonna have a circle jerk, or both?
Whatever you want, man. Got the drugs?
Yeah, if you came for what you ordered, Yeah, I have them.
Good. Can I see?
Can I see?
Hindi, ito lang oh.
Are you selling me cocaine just so it's
Wala, hindi ako gusto. Wala ko ba?
and how is it?
Sige, ito na.
You know my name.
You're under. You are under arrest for trespassing. Get away! Fuck's sakes! Asshole! Fuck you!
Ay, shit! May natandaan ako guys. Sino gusto ng SWAT outfit? Glitch. Nice talking ah.
Ha?
Ano? Bitch?
Okay lang ako.
Glitch. SWAT outfit na glitch.
Bakit? Tuturo ko ba?
Okay na sa akin, wag na.
Kailangan ko na isang player para sa akin.
Na-invite ka agad. Session na-invite tayo.
Ayan, si ano?
Franz, ikaw pumalit sa akin. GG's na ako.
Ano, gusto mo?
Wow,
Aga naman. Sam,
Eh.
aga naman.
Aga. Wala pa
May
nagkalma.
May pass
Maaga,
tayo.
wala-
Pass. Monday.
Wala pang alas 4.
Hindi tayo pwedeng umabsent dahil